Here's how to embed a Mentimeter presentation or any web content directly into a Canva design. Open Canva and click Create a Design, then select Custom Size. Set it to 200 by 200 pixels and click Create New Design. On the left sidebar, look for the Apps section. Click on it and in the search bar, type Embed. Select the Embed app from the results. A field will appear where you can paste a link. Copy your Mentimeter page URL from your browser and paste it into your browser. Give Canva a moment to load the content, and a live preview of your Mentimeter poll or presentation will appear directly on your canvas. You can resize and reposition it just like any other design element. The Embed app works with YouTube videos, social media posts, and most web links, not just Mentimeter. Once embedded, your content is live and interactive right inside your Canva design. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.